Back in the late 80s, I was working for a large engineering firm, and there was an opportunity in Northwest Indiana to work in the steel mills. Dorothy and I seized upon that opportunity and moved here. We ended up starting Falk PLI in our basement, and in 1998, we were the first company in the world to bring 3D laser metrology into the metals industry. And we're looking at our fourth office today. What we've found is better measurement services increases our clients' productivity, increases their safety, and reduces their downtime and reduces their quality rejects. We realize it's not about us. It's about our clients. It's about their problems. And what do we do to look at things from their perspective? And the better we do that, the better we can serve them. We recently had one client nominally reduce their reject rate by 10%. They had the best quality month they'd had in 50 years after we had worked together with them. We wouldn't be here if it weren't for our clients. And it's so important to recognize the clients for what they do, the employees for what they bring to the table. And I can't tell you how grateful I am.